Jonah. Jonah was a prophet of God. God told him to go to a city called Nineveh. The people there were wicked. God told Jonah to tell the people to repent. Jonah did not obey God. Jonah did not want to go to Nineveh. He did not want to tell the people to repent. He got on a ship. The ship was sailing to another city. God sent a bad storm. The wind blew hard. The men on the ship were afraid it would sink. The captain of the ship went to Jonah. Jonah was sleeping. The captain woke him. He told Jonah to pray and ask God to help them. The men thought the storm came because Jonah was on the ship. They wanted the storm to stop. They asked Jonah what they should do. Jonah told them to throw him into the water. He knew God sent the storm because of him. He had not obeyed God. The men did not want to throw Jonah into the water, but they knew the storm would stop if they did, so they threw him into the water. The storm stopped. God sent a big fish. The fish swallowed Jonah. Jonah was in the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah prayed to God. He repented. He said he was sorry he had run away. He promised to obey God. The fish put Jonah out on dry land. Again, God told Jonah to go to Nineveh. He said to tell the people to repent. This time, Jonah obeyed God. He went to Nineveh. He told the people to repent. If they would not repent, Nineveh would be destroyed. The people did repent. They stopped being wicked. They fasted and prayed. God did not destroy Nineveh.